Imagine this. You're on a battlefield, heart racing, gun in hand, but there's no enemy soldier in sight. Instead, a machine, faster, stronger, and completely emotionless, locks onto you. It doesn't hesitate, it doesn't miss, and it never questions orders. Stay with me on Top Tech Visions as we uncover the future that is already happening. The future of warfare is changing fast. Military superpowers like the US and China are developing autonomous drones, AI-powered war robots, and humanoid machines capable of assisting in logistics, rescue missions, and even combat scenarios. With companies like Boston Dynamics pushing the limits of robotics, many fear that AI-driven machines could eventually replace soldiers on the front lines. Even though reputable robotics companies like Boston Dynamics claim they don't develop weaponized machines, but their advanced creations are already being tested in military and security applications. The famous robots developed by Boston Dynamics are Spot, a four-legged robot used in security, construction, and military surveillance. Atlas, a humanoid robot with insane parkour skills and advanced mobility.
If the hacker controls the mind, an army of robots could shadow the light. What if the line between man and machine fades away in this war machine? Redefining heroes, the brave and the bold. In the heart of the conflict, stories unfold. They follow commands, but do they feel?
Stretch, a warehouse automation robot designed for moving heavy loads.
Friend or foe, how will they see? In a world of colors, where can it be? Diverse are the forces, tactics they wield.
BigDog, a quadrupedal robot, originally funded for military use, capable of carrying supplies over rough terrain. But here's where things get scary. Robot weaponization can never be ruled out completely. AI war machines don't get distracted. They don't hesitate. Let's watch a small video demo by Boston Dynamics, where they use CGI and motion capture to create a realistic AI scenery.
Sticks, the future is bright. What if the line between man and machine fades away in this war machine? Redefining heroes, the brave and the bold. In the heart of the conflict, stories unfold. Spot on the ground with surveillance so keen. Atlas defying through the forest and green. Stretch lifts the weight where humans once stood. Big dog the soldier.
If you notice, they stay laser focused on their task. They detect, aim, and eliminate the target. No second thoughts.
What happens when the systems erode? World is shifting, the battle lines blur. Technology rising, it's the future spur. Autonomous drones in the sky, AI with an eye, oh, where will they fly? Humanoid machines.
No remorse, no mercy, just pure efficiency. They don't feel emotions unless programmed to, like Sophia the humanoid robot. This is what makes them so powerful, but also so dangerous. Unlike humans, they don't question whether an order is right or wrong. On one hand, AI war robots could reduce human casualties by taking over dangerous combat roles. But on the other hand, will they get hacked? What if an enemy takes control of an army of killer robots? What if an AI decides your command is wrong and turns against its own side?
Through the forest and green. Stretch lifts the weight where humans.
And here's another thing. How will AI soldiers distinguish friend from foe when military forces around the world consist of diverse races, uniforms, and combat tactics? The possibilities are endless and terrifying. So, is this the next big leap in military defense, or a dangerous step toward an AI-controlled future? Could robots make war more common since fewer human lives are at stake? Are AI-powered war machines the future of defense, or are we playing with fire? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's discuss.
Unfold. They follow commands, but do they feel? A question of ethics, what's truly real? Friend or foe, how will they see? In a world of colors, where can it be? Diverse are the forces, tactics they wield. Will machines judge who should stand or yield? As war